Okay, you need to be a little more natural.
All right, so natural. We're gonna start by telling you a little bit about who we are, right?
Yes.
Who are you?
So I'm Connor Ashley. I am her son.
And I'm Carla Chavez. I'm his mom.
Alrighty, so we are from Denver, Colorado. Tell them a little bit about our business, who we are.
Well, we're hoping to achieve...
No, our business and who we are as a business.
Yeah, I heard you.
Okay.
I'm getting there. All right. We are a mother-son duo from Denver, Colorado, and we are here to help you invest in properties and figure out what the best way to earn money is.
Great. Thank you. You're so professional. So as an entity, we are a real estate and property management company. We're the mother-son real estate and design duo. We do a whole bunch of interior design consulting. What else do we do?
Short-term rental consulting.
Yeah.
How to, make it shine, how to market it properly, how to get guests in the door. We're your people.
And we offer co-hosting for your properties along with we rent properties from you. So if you have a property that you're tired of looking for a long-term tenant or tired of dealing with the maintenance or sifting through the applications and finding that perfect tenant who actually pays rent on time, you don't have to worry about that with us because we will rent that property from you and turn it into a short-term rental. What are the benefits of that?
Well, the benefits for short-term renting is huge. In my professional opinion, it's a tremendously less wear and tear on the property, actually, because even though you have more people in and out, it actually, most of the time people are out and about. They're trying to explore wherever they're at. So here in Denver, they go to Red Rocks, they go to the mountains, they ski. They're out most of the day, whereas a long-term tenant's gonna be there. A lot of people now too, telecommute, work from home. So I think it is just...
Also, you can't control how often, you're cleaning the property or how often the property is maintained if you have a long-term tenant down there, because you can't go in there, on a daily or weekly basis to check up on things. If you find an issue, it's a lot better to find it the day of than, 6 months later when it's irreparable. So,
yeah, absolutely. Yep. So short-term renting enables you to get in the property, usually once a week at the minimum, often much more than that. And you get to get in there, you can clean it, you can, Clorox that tub a million times if you want to, but it actually helps you maintain your property really to what I consider more of a pristine condition.
Okay. So the only sort of downside that I would say with short-term rentals is, the time commitment. And that's why if you rent to us, we take on that time commitment and it is our investment. So we're investing our own time, our own energy, our own money into your rental property. So if
into both maintaining it as well as filling it.
Yeah.
We will find the guests, we will vet the guests, we will make sure that you get the best guests possible, not the ones that are gonna throw a party, not the ones that are gonna drink beer and smoke pot all day, but the ones that are actually gonna come in, you lay their heads down at night, get a good night's rest, and then go out and enjoy what all Colorado has to offer.
That is sort of just one of the services we offer. Another one is short-term rental consulting. So if you have a property or if you're thinking about getting into the Airbnb business but don't know where to start, we can help with that. So short-term rental is an Airbnb, VRBO, HomeAway, all those vacation rentals where people are staying for short periods of time. Now you can make a lot of money doing this, a lot more than your traditional long-term rental.
In most scenarios, you can make quite a bit more money just because you're charging by the night. You're also charging a cleaning fee. Not always can you make money on that, but often you can.
So anyway, so we offer that, full service consulting for rental properties. So even if you have a property
with a long-term renter in it, we actually can help you figure out whether you want to keep that long-term tenant in it, and that might be the best bet, but it may not. But what we can do is help you analyze, look at data to figure out what is going to maximize your profits, essentially. That's kind of what we're going to do to help.
Yep. So it's full service. We also offer full service interior design. So everything from, designing your personal property to your professional business property. We've designed multiple Airbnbs ourselves along with our own homes. I've helped with a few friends' properties. So we offer that full service design consulting as well.
And that's one of the biggest differences between long-term renting to a tenant. You don't have to furnish it. Or short-term, you do need to furnish it. And so obviously in order to get the best guests in, you're gonna wanna furnish it nicely. It's gonna need to look clean and neat, and you're gonna wanna attract the best type of tenant.
But the great thing with us is that we work with all budgets. So no matter what your sort of design budget is, we can work with that, and we can help you probably take a look at that and see where you're probably spending too much money, and how we can cut that down to maximize future profits. So we take this 360 approach with real estate, business, and design to really maximize profit.
Yeah, absolutely.
Alrighty. We have all these tips, tricks, years of experience in finding, these sort of hole-in-the-wall places, how to find cheap furniture, how to find free furniture, how to DIY it and make it better, So
you don't need to spend a lot of money to have a really cute place. Of course, if you do, it doesn't hurt.
What doesn't hurt?
If you have a lot of money.
Well, clearly. What it's like to own an Airbnb property, what it's like to run one, how to run one, where you need to go from here, and also talk about the design aspect of it. So, where's the best places to find that cheap furniture? What are some tips and tricks that we've learned over the years?
I kind of think of it too as ongoing design, because every time I go into one of my properties, you're staging it for that next guest to make it look its absolute best. You don't just go in there and clean. You actually clean and restage every single time before a guest.
And I'm Connor Ashley.
And I'm Carla Chattis.
We're the mother-son real estate and design duo.
We are here to help you invest in properties.
Now, you can make a lot of money doing this.
We're your people.